Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have or will create an Apple ID, your device is online, and two-factor authentication is enabled. Open Settings on iPhone or System Preferences on Mac, then tap or click your name to access iCloud. Once in iCloud settings, locate Mail and toggle it on. That initiates the iCloud Mail setup flow. Follow prompts to create and at iCloud. Com address if asked, because this ties Mail to your Apple ecosystem. Now you'll configure the account specifics. When prompted, pick an at iCloud. Com address, if it's taken, try variations until available, since this becomes your primary identity for Mail. Next, set your display name and signature so recipients recognize your messages. Adjust fetch and notification settings to control syncing and battery use. Make sure push is on for timely delivery. Finally, verify iCloud Mail appears in Mail apps across your devices and can finish by confirming delivery and sync. Send a message from your new iCloud address and check it arrives in inbox across devices. If messages don't appear, make sure iCloud storage isn't full and that Mail is enabled in iCloud settings on each device. Also sign into Web. iCloud. Com to isolate device issues. Web access proves the account exists server-side. If sync still fails, toggle Mail off and on in iCloud settings, wait 30 seconds, then re-enable. This refresh often resolves stubborn sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.